In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Click and Type feature in Microsoft Word. This simple but powerful tool allows you to quickly place text anywhere on your page just by double-clicking, making document formatting faster and easier. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. The Click and Type feature works best in Print Layout view, which is the default view in Word. If you're not sure, go to the View tab and make sure Print Layout is selected. Now, here's how the feature works. Move your mouse anywhere on the blank page where you want to insert text, then simply double-click. You'll notice that Word automatically places your cursor in that location and aligns the text based on where you clicked. For example, if you double-click near the left side of the page, your text will be left-aligned. If you double-click in the center, Word will center the text. And if you click closer to the right side, it will align your text to the right. Word intelligently adjusts the alignment for you. Next, try double-clicking near the top, middle, or bottom of the page. You'll see that Word also adjusts the vertical placement of your text. This makes it very easy to create titles, headings, or custom layouts without manually adjusting margins or inserting multiple line breaks. Now, go ahead and start typing. You can add any content you like, titles, paragraphs, or even short notes. The text will follow the alignment and position you selected when you double-clicked. If you want to change the alignment later, you can still use the standard alignment tools in the Home tab, such as Align Left, Center, or Align Right. Keep in mind that the Click and Type feature only works in blank areas of your document. If there is already text or objects nearby, you may not be able to use it effectively in that space. This feature is especially useful when you want to quickly design simple layouts without using text boxes or tables. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to use the Click and Type feature in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment. Hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.